She sells the seashells on the seashore. The shells she sells are surely the seashells. वह समुद्र के किनारे सीप बेचती है और वह जो सीप बेचती है वो सच में समुद्र का ही है. I want to tell you the sound of s and sh. ये एक टंग ट्विस्टर है जिसमें स और श का साउंड बताया गया है. She sells the seashell on the seashore. यहाँ she हो गया वह, sells बेचना. The seashell, यहाँ shell का मतलब हो गया सीप, समुद्र का सीप, और sea shore का मतलब हो गया समुद्र का किनारा. Always remember guys, S का साउंड स होता है, you have to stretch your lips. SH का साउंड होता है श, you have to roll up your lips, keep the tip of your tongue at the back of your lower teeth, and you have to pronounce sh. कभी भी words को mispronounce मत करिए. Okay? If you speak instead of saying sheep, okay, if you are saying sip, the meaning changes. Meaning change हो जाता है. Okay? So always remember, S का साउंड स होता है, SH का साउंड श होता है. But there are some exceptions. कुछ exceptions होते हैं. जैसे for example, SURE. What is that pronounced as? यहाँ पे तो S है, SH नहीं है. SU I'm saying. So SURE is show. Is show, surely. Okay. Another word is SUGAR. What is that pronounced as? इसका मतलब होता है चीनी. We all eat it. हम लोग सब खाते हैं. Is it sugar? Sugar होता है. Or is it sugar? It's sugar. You can notice yourself the difference between sugar and sugar. So you don't have to say sugar, you have to say sugar. So guys, pronounce the sound SH as sh and S as s. So practice it. Practice the tongue twister which I told you right now. She sells the seashell on the seashore. Practice it and be perfect guys. Thank you.